Hi there, I'm Arne Lauder, and in 4 short videos, I want to share some tips and tricks on how to write a good academic piece. And this is video 1 about clear message. If you start writing something, sit down and think, what is it that I want the reader to tell? Be aware that it's just one clear message that you need to tell the reader. It shouldn't be a shopping list of messages or no message at all. That's also often happening. But make it in a way that it's just one clear message. And what can help you in that is define a research question or problem statement that can help you and have just one clear message. Also, the title of your piece should reflect what you're going to tell. So it should be an appealing title that will attract the reader to start reading your piece, because that's the first thing and sometimes even the only thing that people see, the title. So be sure that it's a powerful title. And the same goes for the abstract. Normally in like 150 or 200 words, try to express clearly why people should read what you have written. So make clear what your message is, how you're going to address it, and make them curious. So don't give everything away already, but illustrate what you are going to do. Then a last point that's important when you talk about a clear message is relevance. That's often neglected. So if you read things, then sometimes it can be super interesting, but it isn't related to what the main message of a piece is. And that is distracting. You shouldn't do it. So of course you come across very many things that are super interesting, but only include them in what you're writing if it's relevant for what you are writing. And to distinguish between relevant and not relevant, the research question will help. Thank you for listening. Bye.